Okay, this is my first unboxing. Pretty excited. Christmas coming. Got the tree in the background. Coming from Amazon. Let's see what came in the mail. Here we go. We got a Swingline, oh, here we go, stapler. 40 sheets, that's right. Okay, notice the nice cardboard box and some plastic wrapping. Yep. Opens right up. It's like a transformer. Look at that. Close it. Okay. Then I got the suggested Optimus Prime. Where's that dang? There it is. Staples. So it's closed it with like some sort of tape. I should have ordered a knife to open this up. Oh gosh. Okay, look at that. There it is. Yeah. Staples. I don't know how big these are. Where's that camera? There it is. See that? Okay, so we gotta put the staples in the stapler. Let's see. It opens like that. Oh, I see a problem. It doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to break it. So it says it can staple 40 sheets. I've been using this one that can barely staple 3. I don't know where I got it. I gotta find something to staple. I'll be right back. So this is a notepad. It looks about, I have no idea how many sheets this is. Okay, I'm going to staple this. I'm going to do the cardboard too. Oh, wow, look at that. Straight up. Look at that. Right through it. Flat. I mean, there's other reviews out there, but I just wanted to show you the unboxing of the stapler. I was pretty excited. Tracked it in the mail. Oh, let me get a jam right there. What happens when we just keep doing that? Look at that, it keeps going. I mean, I just jammed a whole bunch of staples in there. You can see that. Terrible lighting. You should go over by the Christmas tree. Where's that camera? So let's see if it staples. Where did that notepad go? Okay. Hear my son waking up. You have to call this, cut it short. So there's a whole bunch of staples jammed in there. And let's see if, oh my gosh, look at that. And it's stapled. I mean, it didn't curve the end, but I don't know if you can tell, but look at, see all those staples that are jammed right there? Yeah, it's terrible. I won't focus in. I want it to focus. Anyways, look at all that. All these staples are jammed in here. See that? And it's still staples. Look at this. It just keeps going. I mean, look, it doesn't fold at the other end, but this staple's unstoppable. It's like the Terminator of staples. You can't reason with it. It just keeps going. Look at that. That's crazy. Bet you've never seen any other reviews like that. So what's cool about this is that, well, I don't know how to get that open. So the bottom part, this black piece, does recede, and it looks like there's like, so when staples go down, this bottom part, it goes down, then they're actually pushed in, and that's how you get that really flat. Oh my goodness, look at that. I had that all jammed up. There's all sorts of staples down in the mechanism, in the bowels. Good God. Yeah, that's jammed up good. Okay, yeah, I got it cleared out. Okay, so right in here, so that's where all the magic happens, right in there. So now I got it all cleared out. Look at all this. Those are all jammed up in there. The reason I kept doing it, I did it on purpose. And so now I'm gonna staple it again. Flat. See that? So this is the Swingline compact. What did I buy? Jam free. Your bet that's jam free. Yeah, Swingline jam free. 40 sheets. I didn't test that, but yeah, this thing is definitely jam free. It's pretty nice, but fits right in your hand. Yep.